In this contract, you have noticed that we have used byte 32 instead of string, because when you will deploy the contract, there you have to save gas fee for yourself and for the company you are working for. So if you're working on an EtherJS package, if you are working on your ID, then it's very easy to convert the string into a byte 32. You can use the EtherJS package and you can do it. But ultimately, we are testing the contract in the remix ID, so we don't have that privilege. So what I'm going to do is, for the testing purpose, I'm going to replace this byte 32 with the string. Okay, so I'll select that, I will click on F, and here I have to type string. So I'll type string, and I will replace all this variable to string. And we got a lot of error messages, so here I have to pass memory to fix this issue. So this one is gone. Now we have to copy that, and here we have to pass this memory to fix this one, and we have to pass memory here. This is one more we have. Click on memory, and here we have to pass memory. So you can see we have successfully replaced all the byte 32 to string, and now we can easily able to test this contract. So click on this deploy, contract, and here you will have the instead of the contract, and here you will have all the function which you can call. So let's call the very first function called add product. So this is the one we have, where it is, this is the one we have, and here we have to give the name of the product. So I'll call it Daulat. I have to give the price to 5. I can give the stock to 10. And if I make a request, the transaction went through. You can see the logs. And if you want to get the information about the product, all you have to do is to call the name. So I'll say Daulat, and if I make a call, I will have the data. If you pass the name of the product, you can get the data right up here as well. So copy that one, paste here, make a call. You can see all the data is working fine. What if I want to update the price of the product? So this is the function which I have to call. So open this one, and here we have to pass couple of data. So I have to pass the name of the product, and I have to pass the price. Here you have to notice one thing: the price should be greater than 0. So it can be go like less than previous the price you have set, or you can take it to the higher one. So I can go with 30, and if I make a call, the transaction went through, and if I make a call right now, here the price is updated. But here we have made this condition that only owner can update the price. So you can see all the logic is working fine, so we can update the price. So what else we have? We can simply update the stock. Okay, you can simply purchase. So this is the purchase function we have. This entire smart contract is absolutely working fine. So you can add a lot of functionality. You can use this contract to build a front end e-commerce platform where you can allow user to list their product, and you can integrate with IPFS, so all the data would be stored into the IPFS blockchains. Okay, so there is a tons of things you can do. Right now we have built this simple functionality, that what function you need to have when you want to build a contract like a retail industry. Like the product will have more complex information. It will have expiry date, it will have a origination, like where it was built, it will have those data as well. So you can add tons of things. The data will go in a more complex sense. So is there any a distributor? So you have to think about all of those things if you really want to keep the track of the product on the blockchain. Okay, so hope this entire video makes sense to all of you. If you have any doubt, any confusion, do let me know in the comment section, so I'll try to cover that. And we're going to use each one of these contract in one of our future video. Maybe I'll get a chance, so I'm going to make a project on this where we'll focus more on the blockchain rather than focusing on the UI part. Okay, so you will get a practical hand experience. So do let me know what extra function we can include into this contract, what ideas you have about this retail industry, which you can take it to the blockchain level. Okay, you guys have got the idea and how you can utilize this one, and it's going to be a good thing. If you want to step into the retail industry, then you can definitely think and you can take it to the next level. But as a developer point of view, I hope that you guys have got an idea that how you can structure the contract and what are the things you have to keep in mind when you build a smart contract. Okay, with that, I'm ending this video. Hope you guys have liked it. If you like it, hit like and subscribe. That will motivate me a lot. And do let me know in the comment section that what extra function we can include into this contract. For the time being, have a wonderful day.